Hi, Boo Bear. I heard a song on the way home I wanted to sing for you. So I learned it. And um, yeah, so it's new. So I have to read the words off the side of the screen. But I love you. And everything makes me think of you. And I can actually listen to music that isn't going to make me cry anymore. So I hope you can listen to it and enjoy it. And know that I'm always thinking of you. And I hope you can see the beauty in this song the way that I see the beauty in you. And I love you very much. If I had wings like Noah's dove, I'd fly the river to the one I love. Very well, my honey, very well. I had a man who was long and tall, moved his body like a cannonball. Very well, my honey, very well. I remember one evening in the pouring rain, and in my heart was an aching pain. Very well, my honey, very well. Muddy river, muddy and wild, can't give a bloody for my unborn child. Very well, my honey, very well. Just as sure as the birds on high, can't life worth living the man you love. Very well, my honey, very well. I love you.